Before we begin, if you are considering starting your own YouTube channel or you'd like to see how I create my videos, I have a free course on my website which I'll link to below. It's no gimmicks, it's completely free, so I recommend having a look at that. Okay, on with today's video, which I am creating because I struggled with this myself, and in the end I just had to Google the answer. To select all the photos in your Google Photos app on mobile, simply click on the menu icon in the bottom left corner of the screen and then tap and drag your finger from the first photo all the way down across all the photos like so. On desktop, it's not so intuitive, but once you know how, it is very easy. Simply click on the first photo in your list to select it, hold down the Shift key, and then whilst continuing to hold the Shift key, scroll all the way down your list and click on the last picture. And there you have it. That is how to select everything in Google Photos. If you found the video useful, I'd appreciate you giving me a like and hit subscribe for lots more quick tips like this one. And don't forget to check out my free course by clicking on the link below. Until next time, thank you very much for watching.